Whiteman ground Cessna 210 Zulu information, Echo VFR departure via coastal route to Catalina.
What's going on ground, say again?
Yes sir, Cessna 210 Zulu information, Echo at Vista, VFR departure, south VFR departure via coastal route to Catalina.
As a 10 Zulu, do you want to do a right down with departure or you want to go straight out?
Would like to do a right downwind departure, sir.
As the 210 Zulu, runway 12, taxi via Alpha Squawk 0231.
0231, taxi to 12 via Alpha for 210 Zulu. Alright, let's go.
Whiteman ground, 2 Bravo Alpha loops request.
2 Bravo Alpha, go ahead.
Flight following to Paso Robles at 8,500. PA 28R200 flying calls.
You guys good to go?
Yeah.
And Whiteman Tower, Cessna 210 Zulu is holding short of 12, ready to go, sir.
As the 210 Zulu, Whiteman Tower, make a right down with departure, set the 5 freeway, runway 12, clear for takeoff.
Right downwind, inside the 5, clear for takeoff, runway 12 for 210 Zulu. Alright, make sure to go finals clear. You ready, dude?
Yes.
Cool. Mixture is full rich, runway 12 verifies. Full power, got full power, we're all in the green there. Airspeed is coming alive at 40. $55.60 rotate. I'm out at 80. That's the 5.
Yeah, I see.
Whiteman Tower, Cherokee 412 Bravo Alpha, holding short 12 for left downwind departure.
Cherokee 412 Bravo Alpha, Whiteman Tower, make a left downwind departure, runway 12, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 12, down left downwind, 2 Bravo Alpha.
And 210 Zulu, request frequency change.
210 Zulu, free exchange, proof SoCal 120.4.
120.4 for 210 Zulu. SoCal approach, Cessna 210 Zulu out of Whiteman at 2000.
Southwest 5087, center maintain 6000. Center maintain 6000, Southwest 5087. Zulu, looking approach ident.
Ident for 210 Zulu.
Zulu is radar contact, a mile west of the Whiteman Airport. It looks like you're looking for the coastal route 5500 going to Avalon.
A-firm for 210 Zulu.
10 Zulu, roger that. Maintain VFR out of below 5000, just continue.
Out of below 5000 for 210 Zulu.
10 Zulu, traffic restrict 412 to 2 o'clock and about 2 miles southeast bound 5500, Cessna 172.
210 Zulu is looking.
Zulu, again, resume navigation just out of below 5000. The contact circle approach 134.2.
34.2 on nav, out of below 5000 for 210 Zulu.
Clear now, Zulu runway 8.
Alright, 3000 still established and cleared ILS runway 8, Southwest 5087.
And 126 traffic, 12 o'clock a mile, already 3000 center Cherokee.
I have him in sight, 26 Foxtrot.
Like that 459, so conference, are you up?
SoCal Bridge, Cessna 2100 at 3,800.
2100 SoCal Bridge, VFR climb 5,500 approved.
5,500 approved for 2100, thanks.
Number 10 Zulu, VFR climb 5,500 approved.
5,500 for 2100, thanks.
That was 1,000 more to go.
Number 10 Zulu, finding 160, and I need you to start your climb.
160, we're in the climb for 2100. Yeah, I am trying to climb.
Number 10 Zulu, verify you're climbing to 5,500.
Affirm for 2100.
Yep. Number 210 Zulu, clear to Los Angeles Hospital airspace via the coastal route, maintain VFR 5,500 on the Bravo, and you can resume navigation for the coastal route.
Roger, we're cleared into the Bravo via coastal route at 5,500 for 2100.
Number 210 Zulu, traffic 12 o'clock, 3 miles off Brixton 6,400, a Piper, contact SoCal Bridge 134.9er.
34.9er, we're looking for 2100 today.
SoCal Cessna 53176, level at 6,500, and we already got our Class Bravo clearance from the previous controller.
53176, SoCal approach, thanks for that. Los Angeles altimeter 29903.
29993, Cessna 176.
SoCal Cessna 210 at 5,500.
Cessna 210 Zulu, SoCal Los Angeles altimeter 29992.
92 for 2100. That makes sense?
Yeah.
So we're on a 143 radial. It's just slightly to my right.
Okay.
And so we're going to pass right at the edge of the LAX's numbers.
Uh-huh.
Then once we get there, we're going to tune into 123 radial. It's going to be a slight left turn, 20-degree left turn.
Okay.
And we're kind of, my heading is 153 right now because the winds are from the right, so I have to, we're crabbing like that.
Oh, correcting, yeah.
Yeah. 34.9 is who we're talking to. So we're coming up on LAX. It's going to be in 2 miles, we're going to track the 123 radial. So there's LAX, right? We're right over the numbers right now.
Oh, there's one there too. I wasn't sure.
That's another airport. That's Long Beach.
Oh, well, yeah.
All right, so 123 radial now. So 120, 123. 120, 123.
Tag 176, traffic over the Los Angeles VOR, opposite direction, level 5,500 is another Skyhawk. Descend, maintain 6,000 for traffic.
Descend, maintain 6,000, looking for traffic, Cessna 176.
10 Zulu, traffic 12 o'clock and 6 miles opposite direction, descending at 6,500 for 6,000 Skyhawk.
210 Zulu is looking 12 o'clock.
Zulu, turn right, heading 160.
Right 160 for 210 Zulu.
10 Zulu, for Scout traffic is at your 10 o'clock in a mile and a half.
Oh, yep, we got him in sight for 210 Zulu.
10 Zulu, roger. Tag 167, for Scout traffic is just about to pass off your left wing now. They do have you in sight.
Roger, and traffic in sight, Cessna 176.
Roger.
Yeah, that's the marine layer.
Yeah, it's pretty thick.
It is pretty thick. But Catalina's clear.
10 Zulu, did you see those drones that the other Skyhawk was talking about?
Negative for 210 Zulu.
Okay, thanks.
I can barely see airplanes.
Then to your left and northbound 4,500 indicated. It'll pass off your left wing.
Roger, 210 Zulu.
10 Zulu, proceed direct Santa Catalina. Contact approach on 134.35.
3435, direct Santa Catalina today.
Okay. 3285, JetBlue 1124, see ya.
Departure, good afternoon, Qatar 8176, is 5,500 climbing, 12000.
Qatar 8176, heavy SoCal, climb and maintain 17,000, 280 knots.
Maintain 17,000, 280 knots, Qatar 8176.
American 1571, maintain 280 knots, contact Los Angeles Center 132.85. 3285 at 280 knots, American 1571, so on.
SoCal Cessna 210 Zulu, level 5,500, direct Catalina.
November 210 Zulu, SoCal, Los Angeles altimeter 29902, report the Avalon ASOS and field in sight.
Roger, we'll do for 210 Zulu. And SoCal Cessna 210 Zulu has the weather at Catalina, and we're starting our VFR descent.
10 Zulu, roger.
You see the airport? Right down there, the runway is like that.
I think so. I think I see it.
And SoCal approach Cessna 210 Zulu has Catalina inside, we can cancel.
10 Zulu, roger, radar service terminates, squawk VFR, frequency change approved.
Squawking VFR for 210 Zulu, thanks.
Catalina traffic, Cessna 90 Delta, clear the active, Catalina.
K80 departure, runway 22 Catalina, right down one departure.
So we're direct to harbor, which is right there.
Right.
Catalina traffic, Cessna 210 Zulu, about 10 miles from north of 2 Harbor, inbound for runway 22 Catalina.
Catalina traffic, AC52, we're about 10 miles northwest of the field. We have Cessna site past him, and we'll be entering the 45 from downwind lake for 2 Catalina.
And Catalina traffic, Cessna 210 Zulu is just northwest of 2 Harbor. Descending out of 3,500 will be inbound for runway 22 Catalina.
Catalina traffic, flight of 2 Easies, 2.5 miles northwest of the field. We'll be entering on the 45 for runway 22. Turning on the 45 now.
Alright, so we're going to be following them.
Okay.
And Catalina traffic, Cessna 210 Zulu is now 4 miles northwest over 2 Harbor, inbound for runway 22 Catalina. Alright, gas indicator, make sure seatbelts. Catalina traffic, Cessna 210 Zulu is 2 miles to the west. Now we'll be entering runway 22 at the 45 for runway 22 Catalina. Alright, we're under traffic pattern altitude 2600 to 90906. We'll maintain 2600 feet. I see the traffic on the runway now.
Catalina traffic, easy one, clear of 22.
Alright, we're turning. Catalina traffic, Cessna 210 Zulu is turning right downwind for runway 22, full stop Catalina.
Down.
Yep. Alright, we're beam the number. Below 110, flaps 10. Further descent. Away from the runway a little bit. Gas indicator, make sure seat belts. Catalina traffic, Cessna 210 Zulu is turning right base for runway 22, full stop Catalina. So the run, we're gonna look like we're too low when I turn final, okay? That's just an illusion. Flaps are going 20. Run right base. Final's clear. Catalina traffic, Cessna 210 Zulu is turning final for runway 22 full stop Catalina. Above the runway, so we're looking good. Final is clear. And then when we land, it's going to look like we're running out of runway because you can't see the other half of the runway.
Right.
It looks like we're too low.
Yeah.
But we're 100 feet above right now. And speed check 70. Catalina traffic 210 Zulu, short final 22 Catalina.
Traffic 214 Golf Zulu, last call.
Ooh, it's hot.
Yeah, I was like, open the window.
Oh, what do you think? Let me make a call. Catalina traffic, Cessna 210 Zulu is clear for the runway, Catalina. So, was it a pass?
Oh, that was good.
Alright, let's go get our cookies and get out.
Okay.
So, usually parking is a pain. I believe somebody's leaving. I wonder if I can just park it right here. I believe I can.